Hey guys, last week we started with the driveway gravel tumbling just random rocks out of our driveway right there. Well, today we're going to see how that's progressing. Let's go take a look. So we are checking on our tumbler progress here. These are all ones. These are general ones. These are from the driveway, and these are agates. Same amount of grit, way different slurries. Look at this. That one's moving a little bit. This one's kind of runny. You got a little oil film on top. This one, man, this one's like cream. It is thick. All right, we got the gravel batch here. Let's see what we got. That is some thick slurry. Now these guys are out of the gravel, out of the driveway. Let's see what we've got here. Yeah, those are looking kind of cool. Look at that. These are out of my driveway right here. Banded cherts and cherty rocks. Taking a polish, smoothing up, shaping up nicely. A lot of material there. Some of this is more limestoney than chert. Some of this is more cherty than limestone. I think we're going to call all of these done for stage one. They're all pretty smooth. Got some cool patterns in some of them. Yep. Check that out. That is nice. Nice, nice, nice. I love this one too. Very gritty feeling. I don't know if that's just where they are in the polish or just that the polish was so full of grit. That's where we are. But these are awesome. We're going to move these on to stage two. So these are our driveway rocks. And they're going on to stage two. Uh-oh. I just did wipe that surface down. Now, these guys lost a lot of volume. So I'm going to have to add some other stage twos to those because we're down to half a barrel on that. I've got some over here somewhere. I have some more stage twos somewhere. Where are you guys? Okay, we're going to have to put some of the building material in there, which will work out, but it wasn't what I was planning. Okay, that'll work. Now we've got a full enough barrel. Let's get us some stage two grit. That's step one. That's step two right there. Step two grit. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of step two. I'm just going to leave that out. Did I bring the water over? I did. What'd I do with it? 1, 2, 3. Here it is. I'm going to add some water just to the top of the rocks. Right there. Going to need a little borax. There we go. It's about a tablespoon-ish. Pop on the lid. Got a new seal on that lid. There we go. Tighten that the rest of the way down. I put it on the floor, step on it a little bit, make sure that's tight. There we go. Nice seal. Onto the tumbler. All right. We're rolling. All right, guys. week 1 is down. Thanks for joining me today. I genuinely appreciate the time you spent with us. We'll see how the week 2 results. They'll be coming out soon. Hopefully I earned your subscription. If I did, hit that subscribe button right there and follow along. We'll see what the Earth's got to show us tomorrow. Be well.